Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate the new stem option on TikTok, a feature designed to enhance your experience on the app. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest version of TikTok installed. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device and check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Once TikTok is updated, open the app and tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. In the menu, look for the Settings and Privacy option and tap on it. Scroll down to the Content and Display section and select Content Preferences. In this list, you'll find the stem option. Tap on it, and when the page opens, look for the Turn On button located at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to activate the feature. Once activated, return to TikTok's home screen, and you'll notice the stem option in the upper part of the app. Tap it to explore and enjoy the new functionality seamlessly. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.